So we are going to find the value of R and X, right? We are going to find the value of R and X. So to begin with, I'll take this as a reference voltage 0. So everywhere here the voltage must be 0. Here it will be 16, and here it must be 8, because I know that this is 4 into 2. So the potential drop across this potential, the current flows from higher potential to lower potential. Here it is 0. So here it must be 8, so that the potential drop between the two nodes of this resistor value will be 8 volts. So this is 8. Now 6 minus 8, 16 minus 8, the potential drop across this point and this point will be 16 minus 8, which is 8, or rather the current through this will be 2 amperes, which means that here also it is 2, here it is 2. So there is no current here, or rather the potential drop between these 2 points. One thing is that you cannot treat this as an open circuit. So you can say that this potential and this potential will be same. That is the basic concept. If it were open, there will be no current between these two things, but I cannot say that this potential and this potential must be same. Whereas if they are connected and if still current is not flowing through that path, this potential must be 8, which means that the current through this must be 1 ampere, right? The current through this must be 1 ampere. So I can say that the current through this will also be 1 ampere, because no current flows in this path, so this entire one must pass through this point. But I also know that the potential drop between these 2 points will be 8 volts. So the potential drop is 8, and this values, and this values, how much was that? I mean, the potential drop is 8 and current is 1. So I can say the resistor value must also be 8 ohms. So I have only one option with 8, so I don't need to check for. So the answer is option A.